I'm at Robert Moses Beach. I seen this seagull a few days ago. He's got like a fish wire stuck in his beak. I call him Stringy. Now I'm trying to feed him, and I'm gonna try to grab the string at the same time. Ah, you bastard! Come here, come here. It's so frustrating seeing him fly around with this thing in his mouth. I feel so bad for him. Oh, he's gone. Oh, he just chased the other seagulls away. He still has some power, I guess. Come on, Stringy, look. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come here. Alright, that's about it. Next time I come here, I'm coming here with clippers or something, or a scissor. Alright, see you guys later.